Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day weekly contest 293, lead code, 45 seconds to go. Refresh the page just in case. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problems. Earlier contest, the bi-weekly, I just woke up, so I was way off. Today, hopefully right now, I got a little bit more sleep on the plane or something. I just got in. Allergies is kicking my butt, but it should be okay. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I think it is tough. Because sometimes you have the right ideas, but you're just missing one final piece or implementation is a little bit bad. And also Python on Leetcode was kind of sad because if I did C++, apparently it would have been okay. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. But 3, 2, 1, go, 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 and wish me good luck. And also wish the Leetcode server good luck too. To actually load the page. Need a mouse for this. Yeah, oh yeah. Okay. That should be good. Unless I misread the problem. Bottom. I think I'm off by one actually. Actually, maybe not. One, 4. Oh jeez. Pay to win. This already cost me 10 seconds. 3-0, let's go. Say what? Roger's coming in. Let's see. Right. Yeah, okay. 10 to the 7, so like 20 is fine. is a little bit more memory efficient. Oh, forgot the one number case. That is silly. Wait, why? Why is that giving me 0? Huh? Did I mess this up? Wait, what? I'm so confused. This should be right. What number is this again? Huh? It's 21. Oh man, I meant 30. Oh my. That's wow, I'm really rusty today. Oh my, that is silly. That's gonna cost me like a lot of rating points because this is an easy set. What a silly mistake. Oh. I'm so tilted. What a silly mistake. Don't even. Let's see. I think this is some sort of binary index tree or something, but oh, this is just add only. Okay, so add only makes it slightly easier because okay, so I think oh man, I'm so tilted because I had the idea. It's just I silly mistake. Should be okay because every number can be only removed or add once. Oh my god, silly mistakes. Okay. There's a lot of keep tracking. Okay. okay, so the white index. Here we have 7. No, this is fine, maybe. I think this is also okay, maybe. Can't believe I made that mistake. 64 would have been so fast. Actually, it would have been like top 20 or so. Not that fast, but fast enough. Silly mistake. So you want to combine them. Let's actually just print out some cases. Didn't print out anything. Okay, fine. Oh yeah, wait. That's fair. I can't believe I made such an elementary mistake. It's 2, 3. So then the 7, 10. Okay, so it doesn't overlap. Oops. Then what happens is that we want to combine these two. So yeah. And then we want to add in the future right? And I remove this one. And then now, just a lot of case analysis. This isn't quite true, but what happens if it's not true? Now the right side. The right side is I don't need this actually. Right index. It is. And then do this one first. And then now we go to the if because if that's not the case, then what happens? And that just means we look at the next number, and that intersects, maybe. And now we have to do the extra one. Yeah, this is just an annoying as hell problem. I don't know if I've solved it yet. Yeah, I think you could library it, to be honest. Because I think it's just a segment tree or something. But I haven't done segment tree before, so. Yeah, maybe I should just do a segment tree. Alright, let me Google this up. Yeah, okay, fine. I give up on trying to do it the funky way without. Maybe I should. So annoying. Okay, I don't think I got, this is so hard to get right with respect to all the edge cases. At least the way that I'm doing it. Okay, that's right. This is not so right. Why? So 5 binary searches, it finds to 7 and it goes to here, right? Okay. So it does go in here, maybe. 5, 8. So okay, so here, right? Okay, so what are these 9 numbers? 33. Okay. Did I do it? Yeah, 5, 8, 7, 10. This is not true, so it breaks. Unless this happens. That's not true though. So then why does this go out of bounds? Maybe it just goes out of bounds for the other problem actually. Okay. So it goes here. Why is this true? Should be true. 8, 7, 10. Yeah, okay. Wait. So we removed it. No, it did remove it correctly. Why did I print out? Maybe I fixed something I didn't realize. Okay, fine. I forgot that I removed the wrong line. Okay, so this is good conceptually, but it has so many edge cases. We'll see. Also, it's kind of annoying to add new ones. Like that should not be 18. That is just wrong. Right. So that's good. I was debating whether I was wasting time, but that already saved me 5 minutes. Okay. So we looked at this. It went. This is annoying to debug. Okay, so it doesn't. So left index is 0 or something. Because it is before the first one. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, do. Definition, this cannot happen, I think. So you just have to do this thing. Yeah, I know, this is very yucky. Okay, that's better actually. Wow. I'm gonna add the same thing, but instead of okay, so that added okay. Okay, I mean, we'll see if this is fast enough. Conceptually, it should be. It's just log in and everything gets only removed once. But we'll see. Or maybe even wrong answer. Wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, very easy to make mistakes on this one. Today is not my day, turns out. 36, why is it 36? Let's take a look at the things. 36, that's 8 plus 11. Plus 11 is not anywhere close, so my math is wrong. Well, it's just missing a lot of numbers. 8 and 43, what is going on here? There's a lot of things wrong. Okay, 843 and then 1316. I guess I don't take the case where something is directly inside. So I have this, but I is that good enough? Don't know, to be honest. Also, I always add stuff, so it's gonna be wrong. Okay, so it looks at the last number, but if then our job is done, so let's just return 36. So now this is right, well, or more correct. We'll see if it's actually right. Can't believe I missed that case actually. By definition, okay. It seems like one way I'm gonna get like 20 wrong answers. Because I'm like, it's just so easy to make mistakes here. Like I anticipated this, but this is pretty bad. Okay, so this one's 3349. Oh, let's see, yeah, 3349, 4347, do nothing, 37, 37, 26, 38, did stuff. Oh, now it, I have equal, an issue of equal numbers, maybe. That's not true. Oh, that's weird. Why do I add in a 49 instead of a 11? This is the case, it's in here. Basically, this is -1, then this only adds, what? The rightmost is not right. Okay, so then it looks at the next one. I messed up the left right here. Yeah, left right is 11. Then why does, oh, I think this should be here. Yeah, I messed it up. Okay. 25 looks okay. I don't like, I feel like this is one of those problems where if I had a library, this would be much easier. So let's also double check what the other one's 36. And I think that's right? Let's get another wrong answer. Okay, cool. I mean, this is a disaster in general. I mean, that's okay, I guess. Is there, maybe there's a easier Q4. Maybe I'm just doing it dumbly. Definitely want a binary search. Maybe I'm doing it in a weird way. Yeah, I mean, I had some typos and mistakes. I should have tested it a little bit more, but, and Q3 was just dumb. I should not have. This is, yeah, I should not have drank that much during dinner, I suppose. Yeah, and this one, Q3 I was sad, but Q4, I think Q4 is just segment tree, but which is probably why. Maybe. Yeah, I see that there's yeah, there's a standard thing for it for a segment tree, but I just kind of did it another way. Maybe I should solve it with segment tree. Let me think about what I want to upsolve this for real quick. Yeah, maybe I need to practice segment trees. I don't have a segment tree implementation. If I did, this would be probably like copy and paste the segment tree code and then maybe like another 10 lines of code or something. So I feel a little bit sad about that. But yeah, I haven't done segment tree in a while, so. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there is a non-segment tree way that's maybe there's a non-segment tree way that is that is easy to write, but this isn't that bad. Other than that, I was sloppy, I think. But yeah, and I probably could win this in a cleaner way because I think there's a lot of duplicate of code. Like I think we could have just won this one. Oh, did I already lose my test cases? Oh well. It should be much tighter. That'd be funny if this gives me a wrong answer. Though I just refactored it without really doing it, but. Maybe a time limit. I don't know. That's weird. Maybe I changed that much. Maybe the server is having issue, because even if it's wrong answer, it shouldn't take this long. Yeah, I'm having trouble reloading now. Maybe my internet is bad again, which kind of fits into the theme of the day. All right, well, oh, there we go. Oh, there you go. I was pretty happy with how fast I got Q2 and Q3. I mean, Q3, remember that I actually had the typo. I had to debug the typo as well, so I got it within like 5 minutes. So I would have been pretty up there, but the Q4 killed me. I just wasn't really smooth about it. All right, and it's going to take a couple more penalties. 48 minutes. I have like 7 minutes more penalty to decline, so this is going to be a disastrous day for me in terms of rating. But it is okay. I'm learning. I'm doing fun, and hopefully we'll see what happens with Q4 with respect to the. Maybe I'll solve it using segment trees at a later time, so maybe that'll be a good learning experience. Q3 was silly, and I got the other two pretty quickly. So, even the other three, like I got all three pretty quickly. But I just was pretty dumb on the typo. Cool. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll do better next week, and maybe not in Atlanta. Atlanta and San Francisco. Traveling contest hasn't been good to me today. But yeah. Geez. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later, and goodbye. Bye-bye.